I promise. I'll keep rising till I'm at the top. I don't know how long it'll take, but I do know I won't do it alone.
I feel like I'm broken most of the time, but I know it's mostly the noise in my mind. I feel like a mess, like a toxin. Feel like a sinner or a criminal guilty of so many crimes. But I'll turn that darkness to strength and use it to set me free. Break away from my past, cause I know it isn't me. I'm not the righteous kid I was, but I sure ain't no devil. I'm just a chaotic gremlin trickster, just like Jevil. I found my little freedom. Now I'm standing on a pedestal. Don't tell me how to do things. I'm not one for being technical, just doing my own thing. This chaos is inevitable. Just a tiny electrical spark, somehow that keeps igniting the fire deep within my heart. Neon signs glow in the distance, celebrities celebrating, ignoring what's in the dark. The cold rain of the audience has surely left its mark, but I'll keep rising regardless and keep going till that spark hits. I may be down, but I'm sure as fuck not out. Friends at my side and they don't have to scream and shout. Giving up completely is something I won't allow. I'm gonna spike the closing doors and kick them all down.
Soaked beneath the neon light, I dance with the broken heart, holding on to a fading light. I'm screaming